The price of gunpowder has shot up by over 300% in recent years, and it is about to send the cost of these three calibers straight through the roof. Also, we are currently looking at a perfect storm of global supply chain collapses, raw material shortages, and intense military demand that is actively draining the civilian market. But you do not need to panic buy every single box on the shelf. You just need to be smart about where you put your money before the real price spikes hit. We are going to break down the exact reasons why the market is tightening and, more importantly, the three specific calibers you must prioritize right now. The perfect storm of price hikes. Let's get right into why this is happening. I promise to keep this brief so we can focus on the actual rounds you need. But you have to understand the underlying mechanics of this price explosion. The biggest culprit is a massive global shortage of nitrocellulose. This is the primary ingredient used to make smokeless gunpowder. Right now, global conflicts are chewing through artillery shells at a staggering rate. To put it in perspective, a single 155mm artillery shell uses enough nitrocellulose to last an average civilian shooter for 10 whole years. Because the military-industrial complex is buying up all the chemical precursors, domestic ammo manufacturers are fighting over the scraps. When they can actually get their hands on powder, it costs them significantly more. Add in the skyrocketing costs of raw materials like copper, lead, and zinc, and you have a recipe for disaster. Copper alone has seen massive price volatility because it is heavily used in the booming electric vehicle and infrastructure markets. All of those increased costs get passed directly down to you at the cash register. That is exactly why we are seeing base prices creep up by 5 to 15% across the board. And this is just the beginning. The global supply chain is stretched incredibly thin, and any small disruption will send shockwaves straight to your local gun store. Caliber 1, 9mm Luger. This is the undisputed king of handgun ammunition. It is the most widely used pistol cartridge on the entire planet. And that popularity is exactly what makes it so vulnerable to price shocks. When panic buying starts, this is the very first box to vanish from the shelves. We saw it a few years ago when the cost of a single standard round spiked all the way up to 95 cents. Even though prices eventually came down, they never fully returned to those rock-bottom, pre-shortage glory days. From a survival standpoint, 9mm is entirely non-negotiable. If you are building a defensive kit, this cartridge offers the absolute best balance of magazine capacity, manageable recoil, and stopping power. Modern ballistic technology has completely transformed how this projectile performs. Thanks to advanced hollow point designs, a standard 115 grain or 124 grain bullet will reliably expand and penetrate to the FBI standard of 12 to 18 inches in soft tissue. You get all that performance without the heavy recoil of larger chamberings, meaning you can put fast, accurate follow-up shots on a target under extreme stress. But here's why you need to buy it immediately. Because this specific ammunition is a standard issue for nearly every law enforcement agency and military branch, massive government contracts take total priority over the civilian market. When federal agencies place orders for hundreds of millions of rounds, the factories shift their lines to fulfill those contracts. Your local sporting goods store gets pushed to the absolute back of the line. Because of the sheer volume of raw copper and brass required to churn out millions of units, the rising metal prices hit pistol rounds incredibly hard. On top of that, it is the ultimate barter item. In a grid-down scenario where paper money loses its value, common ammunition will instantly become the new currency. Because almost everyone owns a handgun chambered in this size, a box of 50 rounds will be worth its weight in gold. You will be able to trade it for food, medical supplies, or skilled labor. If you only have the budget to stack one type of pistol ammo, do not waste your time with obscure sizes. Go deep on this one. Buy it in bulk cases and store it in airtight containers with desiccant packs to ensure it lasts for decades. If you are serious about preparing for whatever comes next, hit that subscribe button right now. Here at All About Survival, we give you the no-nonsense intel you need to protect your family and stay ahead of the curve. Caliber 2, 5.56 NATO. The next essential round on the list is 5.56 NATO, along with its civilian twin, the .223 Remington. If the previous round is the king of handguns, then this one is the absolute ruler of the rifle world. This is a fuel that runs America's most popular rifle platform. Whether you are talking about home defense, property protection, or medium game hunting in a survival scenario, this cartridge does it all. The reason prices for this rifle ammo are on their hair trigger right now comes back to that powder shortage we talked about earlier. Rifle cartridges require significantly more gunpowder per round than pistol ammunition. When factories are struggling to source nitrocellulose, high-volume rifle rounds are the first to feel the squeeze. Furthermore, the factories that produce standard military rounds have previously been ordered to prioritize military readiness over commercial sales during times of conflict. When that civilian tap gets turned off or restricted, the supply drops to zero and prices on the secondary market explode. You might wonder if you should stock up on heavier battle rifle rounds instead. While those have their place, the lighter NATO round offers a massive logistical advantage for survivalists. A standard load weighs about 12 grams per cartridge. That means you can easily carry a combat load of 210 rounds on your chest rig without being weighed down. Try carrying that much heavy caliber ammo and your knees will be screaming after the first mile. This lightweight profile allows you to stay mobile, which is one of the most important factors in any emergency evacuation or bug-out situation. The terminal ballistics of this lightweight projectile are also devastating. When a standard 55-grain bullet strikes a target at over 3,000 feet per second, it tends to yaw and fragment, dumping massive amounts of energy very quickly. This makes it incredibly effective for defense, while also minimizing the risk of overpenetration through the walls of your home. If things go bad, you will rely on your rifle to keep danger at a distance. You cannot afford to be rationing shots because you waited too long to buy. Stockpile bulk brass cases now, and make sure you grab a healthy mix of full metal jacket for training and dedicated defensive loads for primary protection. Do not wait until a political headline creates an overnight run on the stores. Caliber 3, 22 long rifle. A lot of people hear the word survival and they immediately think of tactical gear and heavy firepower. But true survival is about sustained living, and nothing keeps you fed quite like a reliable rimfire rifle. People often assume that because it is small, it is immune to the supply chain issues affecting larger munitions. That is a massive mistake. The production of rimfire ammunition relies on the exact same chemical primers and raw lead supplies as the big stuff. In fact, during previous market panics, rimfire boxes were the hardest items to find anywhere in the country. The shortage of primer compound alone is enough to shut down an entire rimfire production line. Because factories make less profit per box on these tiny cartridges compared to premium hunting loads, they will often halt rimfire production entirely to focus their limited resources on higher margin products. When the machines stop pressing rimfire, the national supply dries up in a matter of weeks. You need a mountain of this stuff in your cache for two main reasons. The first is food procurement. In a long-term crisis, you are not going to be taking down large game every single day. Large animals will be hunted to scarcity very quickly. You will be surviving on small game like rabbits, squirrels, and birds. Firing a loud, high-powered rifle at a squirrel is not exactly massive overkill, but it also alerts everyone within a mile of your exact location. A standard velocity rimfire round is quiet, highly effective on small game, and preserves the meat. If you attach a suppressor, it becomes virtually silent, giving you a massive tactical advantage for low-profile hunting. The second reason is sheer volume and weight. You can fit a brick of 500 rounds into a space no larger than a thick paperback book. It weighs just over 3 pounds. You can literally carry thousands of rounds in a standard backpack and still have plenty of room for your water filter, shelter, and medical kit. That kind of longevity is priceless. It also makes for incredible training ammunition. When the cost of centerfire ammo gets too high to justify weekly range trips, a rimfire conversion kit allows you to maintain your marksmanship fundamentals for pennies on the dollar. Buy it cheap, stack it deep, and do not stop until you have a few thousand rounds put away safely in waterproof storage. The new gold standard. We need to talk about the psychological side of these price surges, often called the shortage loop. When shooters hear a rumor that prices might rise, they rush out and buy everything they can afford. This sudden spike in demand empties shelves, which allows retailers to raise their prices, fulfilling the exact prophecy that started the panic in the first place. You do not want to be the person fighting over the last dusty box on a store shelf while the price tag is marked up by 300%. The time to secure your position is right now, during the calm before the storm, while the market is still somewhat stable. Treat your stockpile like an investment portfolio. Buy a little bit every single week, or every time you get a paycheck. A steady, consistent purchasing habit will insulate you from the chaotic price swings of the broader market. Focus on these 3 core calibers first. Once you have a secure foundation of pistol, rifle, and rimfire rounds, then you can worry about your specialty hunting loads or long-range precision gear. Ammunition is the lifeblood of your entire security plan. Without it, your expensive firearms are just awkward, heavy clubs. Make sure you secure your supply of these essential rounds today. And do not forget to subscribe to All About Survival so you never miss another crucial update.